Now, the University of Lagos, UNILAG, has emerged as the winner of the maiden Football Law Annual Moot held in Abuja, defeating their counterpart from Adekunle Ajasin University, Ondo State, in a thrilling final. The UNILAG team, represented by Precious Amike and Paul Adedoyin, triumphed in a gripping debate and were awarded a cash prize of 700,000 naira and a one-year internship with a sports and justice firm based in Cairo, Egypt.
The grand prize.
The event brought together key stakeholders in Nigerian football, including club owners and the Nigerian Football Federation (NFF), focusing on the intricacies of the FIFA clearing house, a crucial aspect of football transfer system reforms. The clearing house acts as an intermediary for payments related to training rewards for professional footballers, aiming to streamline and ensure transparency in football transfers. Competitors, including the UNILAG duo, argued their cases before a panel of seasoned arbitrators, while club owners looked on with keen interest.
As to whether or not
this initiative served as a platform to sensitize Nigerian club owners about the importance of embracing the clearing house system, with many clubs still lagging behind in adopting the system, thus losing out on potential revenue. At the end of the competition, the University of Lagos undergraduates were crowned champions, demonstrating their exceptional understanding of the legal and financial dynamics of modern football.
Reasons behind this they are just to, one, increase the financial fortunes of clubs in Nigeria, and to have legal minds who can assist these clubs in increasing their financial fortunes. And with what we've seen so far here today, with the regulators promising to do better, with the clubs, with the players doing their best, and the clubs engaging, I think I'm satisfied, and I'm confident that I have achieved what I set out to achieve when I came up with this initiative.
People think that football or sports only for men, but I don't think so. For me, as a first female in Egypt to work in sports law, I really like to see more female lawyers.
I think this is a good impact too. They listen to us and they discuss it with the people in or the stakeholders that change the regulations. So this is a good thing. Also for the participants, I think it's a good opportunity to know more about the sports law and be involved in the sports law.
The Secretary General of the Nigerian Football Federation, Sanusi Mohammed, commended the organizers for hosting the event, highlighting the need for participants to put the lessons learned into practice. He also urged FIFA to consider the unique challenges facing African teams in future reforms to ensure they can fully benefit from initiatives like the FIFA clearing house.
Of Nigerian clubs and some African countries are actually lacking in trying to meet up with the required standard. Like, for example, now having a bank account, having registered with CSC, and all sorts of things. When you go to villages and towns where people do not have knowledge of doing this, then there is still a lot to be desired in their ability to link into the football clearing house.
Some clubs who are, they have a lot more support, and then you have some of the smaller clubs in some of the smaller regions who are, they probably trained one or two players a long time ago. They're not fully set up, they're not going to pass the compliance assessment, but it's being able to give them that support. So I'm really hoping that some of the guys here who own clubs can go away and look at their documentation and look at how they can, pass the compliance test and take on sports lawyers, and then the NFF, for instance, will go away and look at how we can support some of those smaller clubs and bring them up to scratch.
This event marks a significant step in raising awareness and improving the administration of football in Nigeria, with an eye towards global best practices and a more transparent, efficient transfer system. Laila Wao, EIT News Abuja.